Puppy Class, Week 5. As we've worked for almost a month now, I have decided that I will do this class on a more weekly basis. Today, I will introduce you to 4 new subjects and try to summon what we have done this far.
Ew! Senja!
The new subjects are very important, but I often take them for granted work, as you cannot really work with a dog without them. They are creating a bond, team building, traveling, and being left alone. Creating a bond begins the very first day with you spending time with your puppy and learning how to read the puppy's body language. Because puppy training is not just about the puppy learning how to read and understand you. You are going to be a team, and that takes at least 2 participants. The first things you have to be able to read in your dog is its necessary needs. Hunger, thirst, need of sleep and rest, need of play, and need of a friend. The last one, the need of a friend and what kind of friend it's in need of, is an ever ongoing process. Does you need to be supportive, stern, pushing, encouraging or calming? Typical experiences that make you create a bond with your puppy are massage, closeness, eye contact, doing things in slow motion, giving help, sleeping and resting together. Team building is the next subject. First, you need a bond, a reason and a foundation to build your team from. Then, from that knowledge, you build up with what your team need. Här. Bra. Is it the ability to rewind, feel secure, to find use of each other's company, or perhaps the need for motivation your team needs? What kind of coach and team member do you need to be to make your team better? Examples of exercises for team building are asking for help, accepting help, sharing, giving, and putting trust in. Asking for help can be asking for help. There's something they want. They both want it. They can't reach it. So I help her to reach it. And accepting help can be so. The 2 last ones, traveling and being left alone, goes hand in hand because you need to do both to feel sure about the other. The traveling can be done by any kind of transportation. By boat, for example. The more experiences, the better. When you travel together, you will experience new things together and about each other. When being separated, you will experience things separately and learn how to deal with experiences on your own. That last part is super for a human who is supposed to become an independent individual. Dogs, however, are not supposed to be that. That's a wolf, not a dog. Dogs aren't supposed to fetch their own food, choose home or their teammates freely. Those choices are ours to make. The kind of training for being left alone I incline are being relaxed on the other side of a fence or a gate, though I see my human, being able to sleep safely alone in the car or at home, being able to relax though my human leave the room. So, while you work on those 4 new subjects every day in the rest of the dog's life, you can also go on with the other parts that I've shown in the earlier puppy classes. All of these following 4 other parts has to be taught in this order. Body language, hand signals, words, whistle signals, cuddling and resting, getting lifted, carried and laid on the back, touch and push, teeth and claws, the clicker and shaping. Puss, puss. So. Then we go on to following hands, sit, the healing position, laying down, stand and recalls.
Vad ledig hela dagen igår. Ska du komma här? Bra, duktig du är. Jätteduktig. Upp. Bra, duktig. Ligg. Bra.
Gripping, lifting, nose push, delivery to hand and puppet casting.
Abort. Bra. Tack. Dutt. Dutt. Abort. Tack, tack. Bra. Stanna. Abort. Bra. Kom. Bra, duktig tjej. Bra. Ut. Abort. Tack, tack. Bra. Lite läxförhör idag.
The focus for Dory the next 7 days are balance, finding your hind legs, out, trust the hand, command and have hope. For Kenneth Goldflames, made by Marcy.